मैं चौरी बाजार जाना चाहता हूँ कितना रुपये
चांदनी चौक
चौरी बाजार
चोर बाजार
कितना रुपये
500 only 500
500
Yeah.
no way brother no way 100 best
100 no
no alright fair enough brother
400
चौरी बाजार
Johri Bazaar
चौरी चौरी बाजार this side okay
Straight and take first right. Not the first right. Behind the Jama Masjid, go straight.
okay and how many minutes do you think like
It's about 15 minutes distance walking.
okay fair enough then I'll walk then thank you very much brother thank you sorry
ये जाएगा
no it's alright no worries I'm walking brother thank you I'm walking
आ जाओ
Bloody hell, this is one of the things you really don't want to do here, cross the road. Anyway, I wanted to get on one of these rickshaws, but the guy tried to rip me off. Like 500 rupees for like a 5-minute ride. Not even too sure, but I said definitely not. And I politely declined. Anyway, I started making my way walking, but it's about 15 minutes. So at some point I'm gonna get on a rickshaw. But bloody hell, this is the craziest thing I've seen in my entire life. Oh my god, if only there were lanes, it would be a bit easier. Beautiful to see. Quite exotic to me if I'm entirely honest, but quite exotic to me, but bloody hell, if I had to do this every day, oh my god, I will need some therapy. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get far. There's no way I'm gonna get there walking at this pace. I mean, not like driving is better, considering how busy it is around here. But hello. So let me show you the mosque first of all. Oh, I know where I am now. Okay, that's the mosque just behind me. As you can see, there's plenty of food shops around here. Ooh. Bloody hell, that's only meat though, because this part of the city is very famous for what is Mughal cuisine, which is very meat-based, as opposed to other parts of the city where, you know, there are more Hindus, for example, or other faiths where some people tend to eat more vegetables, so be vegetarian even, just like me really. That's why I'm not really in my environment, in my element here, because I don't eat meat, and I feel very sorry when I see caged animals being shot with. Oh my god, that's a sheep head. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack by the end of this day. Whoa. And just to let you know guys, this is a Monday evening, you know. It's not even the busiest time of the day probably, but wow. There's no way, I'm not gonna get anywhere at this pace. Let me see. Fuck, I'm sweating, and you cannot even begin to imagine how polluted the air is here. I can hardly breathe really. Wow. It's so hot, it's around 35 degrees at the moment. Sorry, brother. One thing I will never understand. What's the point in beeping and honking? People are not gonna move anyway. I just don't get it. But what do I know? This is literally India, the way you expect India to be. Literally. This is the epitome of India. India on steroids, really. You know what? Very stressful, but I'm quite enjoying it, to be honest. Very thrilling adventure. Bloody hell. Sorry. Oh, it feels a bit more quiet here. I mean, I'm probably overstating it considering I've spent like 30 minutes in that madness, but it feels a bit more quiet, which is still the busiest place I've ever been to, but it feels quiet. That's ridiculous to say, but yeah, it's a fact. Look, there's people queuing up for food, I think. Don't know what they're doing, but wow. Okay, I need to check where I am though, because I'm getting further and it's from the mosque, and it's actually starting to rain. Whoa, that guy just nearly killed someone with that stupid motorbike. Okay, you know what?
Which price?
Which
Camera, which price?
This one, I cannot remember. What?
I like.
Oh, good camera, yeah, very old but good.
Name? Camera name?
I think DJI the name.
American made?
Chinese.
Chinese
China,
made?
I think Chinese. Good stuff, China. I think I've just sold one of these cameras to that guy. DJI, you should pay me for this. Should you? Next time I hear someone say that Italians are crazy when driving, you should come to bloody India, mate. Then you'd put everything into perspective. Italy is a very chilled and quiet place compared to this. Bloody hell. Honestly, I'm going deaf. Okay, maybe there's hope. Oh fuck, you know. Shit. It's not easy. Oh my god, I'm gonna need a holiday after this. There's absolutely no need for you to beep, Mike. Fuck am I? Oh my god, it's like a maze in here. Am I gonna get out alive? One can hope. One can hope. Am I gonna get out? Not even alive. Alive has become secondary now. Certainly I'm gonna get out of here completely deaf. What's really fascinating about this area, this market actually, and you can see an incredible mix of people. You can see Muslims, Hindus, Christians even, I assume, people from all religions living together. And actually that's what it used to be like before the partition of India, when politicians started to leverage on religious identities to somehow, you know, divide and rule, the good old tactic. But yeah, so people used to live together peacefully. No, I'm not saying it's not as peaceful as it used to be, but sometimes you hear strange stories about India, and so things may have changed a bit, but still it's quite fascinating to see all these people living under one roof, really, and buying from the same shops and, you know, dealing with the same everyday life. And as a matter of fact, actually, one of those tactics that politicians back in the day, at the time of the Great Partition, the partition between India and Pakistan, so let's say brutally speaking and broadly speaking, the partition of British India into Muslim part and the non-Muslim part, let's say, with the Muslim part being Pakistan, of course. Basically, I don't know, there were some of these campaigns, as in, don't shop in Muslim shops or don't shop in Hindu shops, depending on what group you belong to, let's say. So, oh my God. Thanks. And that's how tension started, really, between the two groups, two or more groups, really. But anyway, it started to rain. I need to find some shelter, or an umbrella, really. Shouldn't have problems buying an umbrella in a market like this one, even if I haven't seen one yet. Hello. Sorry, darling. Sorry, darling. Got no money on me. I'm sorry, darling. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Mazrat. Hey, Mazrat, chata. No, sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. No. Sorry, darling.